Hello, everyone. Welcome to the DevTalks podcast. I'm Alex,
And I'm Michael.
and today we're going to review Apple Vision Pro.
Some time ago, Apple introduced their new device, Apple Vision Pro, which is kind of virtual reality device. And now a lot of YouTubers already did a review about this device, and now we want to summarize a bit about it and maybe discuss our thoughts.
Yes, and first of all, is the fact that Apple launched this device, let's say, latest from the tech companies. So many companies and big tech companies launched same type devices many years ago, and the let's say gold period for such type of devices was from 2016 to 2019. And in this period was announced very much count of such devices. Uh, yes, and since that time, nothing very much changed in this industry. And now Apple presented their version of such device, and let's review. So why it's better than device than other devices?
So as we know, Apple usually waits some time before they introduce the device that kind of already existed on market, because Apple does much more kind of reviews or maybe science on devices before they appear. And in regards of Apple Vision Pro, most likely they wouldn't be able to provide such a good experience with, for example, CPUs that were available uh, 5 years ago, because no Apple M1 or Apple M2 were available. So as we know, Apple Vision Pro uses M2 chip, which is ARM-based architecture, and it's quite powerful and still uses much less power than x86 processors.
So probably it's one of the reasons why this uh, Vision Pro was launched only now, because as Michael told, technical uh, limitation was before, yes. Okay, let's start from the visual review of this device, and after it we will go to some technical specifications and experience in this device. So first one, which may be considered as a bad fact, it's its price. It costs about $3,500, and this without tax. So in Europe, it's most probably will be even more expensive. And but maybe this price is kind of fair for this device because it presented as a top device of such top such device in the market, and it's kind of groundbreaking in this industry.
Yes. The thing that I don't like about it also is this like power bank that you need to kind of have it. But from another side, it is good that they didn't put it into Vision Pro itself, and this is kind of separate device that can be easily kind of changed. You may have, for example, several power banks or something like that, and just switch them, and you don't need to have additional weight on your head that as I know some of kind of other companies did previously.
Yes, actually, there is one power bank which is connected using a wire to this Apple Vision Pro device, and you can also buy a spare power bank for another $300.
Yes, or you can just have regular one and attach it to USB-C port of Apple Vision Pro Air Bank. So
Yes. So on the one power bank, it's announced to use this device for 3 hours, which is more than an hour, more than announced to watch a film, for example, or do some other types of work. But yes, it's not announced to go with this type of device whole day. The another one, technical limitation and a bit strange solution that Michael told power bank is a separate device connected by the cable, and if Apple chooses such solution to move this power bank out from this device itself to lower its weight, why they not move it CPU and other components? As you know, there is also active cooling in this device. So why they're not move this CPU and active cooling to this attachable device as well,
Yes.
to lower this weight of the device?
Yes,
Because
that's a
it's
good point.
Yes,
Very
because
good point.
its weight a bit large. Its weighs about 650 grams, and this is more than iPad.
Yes, and also in regards of power bank that Vision Pro has, actually iFixit did disassembly of Apple Vision Pro and power bank that is used for Vision Pro, and they stated that actually this power bank has 20% more capacity than Apple stated. So most likely this is done due to fact that batteries after some time degrade, and just to keep it on the same kind of performance level, they're not maybe charging it fully, maybe just to 80% or something like that. So just one fact about the battery.
Okay, so I think this was all regarding these negative points of this device. And now let's go to some positive points. So it's have, as usual, Apple have very good ergonomic design of this device. So very qualitative materials. It's tempered glass and aluminum, and convenient regulations. So again, very good looking, and even package, as usual with Apple devices, is very good combined.
Yes, also I saw the review of Jerry Rig Everything. So Jerry tried to kind of scratch the Apple Vision Pro, and actually it has very bad kind of mark. So it's very delicate. So be careful in usage.
That's actually strange a bit, because I think glass
Most
should
likely this is due to the fact that glass is not like flat, it's a bit circular, so
yes.
maybe due to this.
Actually, one more problem for people with glasses, that standard lenses inside this device is tuned for and created for people with normal vision. And if you have some bad vision, you have to buy additional lenses for your vision.
Yes,
You cannot.
Yes, they have kind of preset of different lenses for people who have bad vision, so they can be bought additionally.
Yes, but it's also kind of negative fact, because some other developers of such devices has configurable lenses which can be scrolled to adapt. But maybe that's a technical trade-off by that fact that these lenses very carefully built, and they cannot afford some kind of regulations with keeping the same quality.
So you can imagine that one iPhone Pixel might have 50 Apple Vision Pro pixels. So the size of one pixel on iPhone is the same as size of 50 pixels on Vision Pro, and this gives unreal big kind of resolution. PPI it's 33 86 PPI of these displays, and that's why looking at them, people like almost kind of looking at real world, because yeah.
Yes, it's some kind of enormous quality. I think it's some very close to real human eye quality, because yes, it shows very, very tight pixel count. Okay, so regarding sound, it has standard sound devices, so it's not like devices that can, for example, push sound through your band directly, but it's some kind of standard sound speakers. So if you will listen and watch films in this device, people around you will hear sounds from this device, which also is a bit strange decision for such type of device. So it's recommended to use it in together with
Earphone.
yes.
So external earphones would be a good decision if you don't want to, so that someone will hear what you're listening to.
Yes, so you can be pretty annoying to people around you if you will see films with this device without any earphones. And as I know, it's pretty good, integrates with Apple earphones. Actually, not only with earphones, but with all Apple devices. But we'll tell about it a bit further. But regarding sound, yes. So next one is regarding technical specifications. So it has M2 processor and R1 processor. So a bit strange that it's not built on the top M3 processor, which was launched soon, already launched actually this autumn, but using previous version M2. But still it gives very good computing speed and video experience. So without any lags, it's working very smoothly. And such processors need powerful processors needs active cooling. That's why this device also have active cooling. So there are fans inside it.
Yes, and this R1 chip is used to process kind of vision from cameras, because Apple Vision Pro has 13 cameras, if I'm not wrong. So it's a bunch of cameras in this device.
Yes. So that was all from my side regarding visual lookup and specifications regarding this device. Michael, maybe you have something to add?
I guess we covered almost everything. Maybe one thing to mention is that by default in package Apple Vision Pro has two different kind of straps that using them you can attach device to your head. One is that used everywhere in advertisement, but there is another one which has kind of two straps, and according to reviews of different YouTubers, it is stated that using this another strap that has kind of two straps, it's more convenient. So I guess
yes.
that's it.
Also heard similar things. Okay, so then let's go to the experience of this device. So it's already was very good reviewed by other bloggers, and maybe you can also watch this video if you want. So there is very good review by The Verge company, and we will also give a brief review of this device. Okay, so first one is, as we already told, is a display, actually a technical marvel with the best video pass-through available on the market currently. It has very good hand and eye tracking algorithms, so you can see your hands through these glasses, and actually very very good, very convenient to iterate with virtual displays and other control devices, virtual keyboards, so they are quite sensitive, and you can hold your hands not only in the front of these glasses, as on most of the videos you can see, but you can, for example, keep your hands near your body, for example, something like that, and these glasses will see that as well. So they have their camera and sensors which are tracking your hands has a very good angle for tracking it.
Yes, because they face it like upside down and also tracking your mouse movements.
Next thing is that it's very seamlessly working with Apple's ecosystem. So you can see your MacBook through this Apple Vision Pro. You can enlarge your MacBook's screen, for example, and you still can continue to control the screen using your MacBook's keyboard, but MacBook screen will be much larger, and you can work with it. You can put anywhere where you want, for example, by the right, by the left of you. So you can control it this way. And
yes, sorry.
yes, and you can. It's very good processing actually also things around you. For example, if you put this virtual screen above the table, there will be a shadow in the table of the screen. So this gives a really real world and natural looking of it. It's looking really good.
Yeah, so these virtual screens with MacBooks is kind of maybe very good when you maybe traveling and you don't want someone to see your laptop screen. So your laptop screen will be turned off, and you will see the screen in Apple Vision Pro. So you will be continue working on your laptop, but no one will be seeing what you're doing.
Yes. So next, of course, it's the same convenient way integrates with your iPhone. The only maybe negative iPhone that it cannot work with Face ID because your eyes are covered by these glasses, and this of course sounds obviously, but yes, you have to use this PIN code for your iPhone. And when with other devices like iPad, for example, works as well. Actually, regarding iPad, this operating system for Vision Pro is based on iPad operating system, but it's very enhanced by different features. Yes, so you can, when it started, you can use about 600 of applications. So not all global applications yet available there. For example, YouTube is not yet available, and Netflix is not yet available as well. But for example, Disney Studio application is available, so you can use Disney Plus platform to see the movies.
Maybe let's sum up. Your thoughts about this device? What do you think? Will it have like the future or
Maybe one more feature
okay.
I wanted to tell is a thing that it also has inbuilt GPS and motion sensors, so you can pin these virtual screens to physical places, for example, in your flat or house. So you can put some virtual screens in different rooms, and when you will go through these rooms, and even when you wear these glasses Vision Pro next time, you will see the same screens in the same places. So it's very convenient in some cases to create your virtual reality inside your space.
Yes.
And it's also possible to disable this. For example, it may be needed when you're flying in the plane. If you will not disable it, it
will glitch.
Yes, of course, because it will not be possible for this device to attach to concrete place, and this will glitch. So, but it's in any case very good, and that Apple think it also regarding these type of scenarios when someone is in the motion and not possible to fix the screens. Yes, so I think it's all from my side for now, and as you proposed, we can sum up.
Yes. Okay, so I would suggest everyone to watch the review of Casey Neistat, YouTube blogger, and Marcus MK, PhD. So they did a very good review of packaging and of usage the device, and I think yes, maybe this version is not that good from usage perspective, the weight and the power bank itself, but it's the first device, and each next will be improved a lot. I hope so, and maybe after 5 or 10 years we will have just small glasses.
Yes, so I fully agree with you. So from my side, I recommend the Verge review of this Apple Vision Pro. And yes, so I can agree with Michael that if you have enough money for this, you want to buy this version, you can do it, and you should do it, because it gives pretty good experience, groundbreaking experience, but it's still a first version, and it's maybe good to wait for some second version, because it might be situation similar as it was with iPad. So as you remember, first version of iPad was not very good, but between first one and second version, Apple refactored it very much, and second version was changed the industry, and was popular for many years from the moment of start launch. So maybe the similar situation will be this Apple Vision Pro. Some baby bugs will be and baby problems will be changed in version 2. Some maybe technical problems which we reviewed in this review on, or some applications will be more tailored to this virtual experience. And yes, so if you don't have currently available money or some view to buy this device, don't worry. So just wait for the second version, and maybe that will be right for you.
Yes, totally agree. So thank you for seeing us. Like, comment, and we will see you in next video.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.